Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to take you on a tiny little thrift trip in Prague, which is my hometown. And yeah, before we start, I just wanted to show you the beautiful weather that we had that day. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. This is my favorite thrift store in Prague. They have these huge sales going on each month and it's just so cheap there. But it's definitely not for everybody. Like, this is definitely not a vintage store with, every single piece looking amazing. This is definitely like a huge secondhand. You really have to dig in to find the gold. It's basically the same thing as Value Village, I would say, but I don't know, I've never been to Value Village. Like, here you can see me going through a full rack of pants and none of them looked good, even in the slightest bit. So yeah, it definitely takes some time to find something good, but it's definitely worth it. Here are the first few things that I picked up, just some jeans and dress pants and some more jeans. The first jeans were these low-waisted ones, which I really liked how they looked on me. However, the wash just looked a little bit cheap, I thought, so I left them behind. Then these I absolutely fell in love with, and then these ones, again, I felt like they looked really good, but I wasn't a big fan of how you could see the pockets from the outside. So yeah, I left them behind. Then I found this sweater and then these two basic tees. I thought the white one looked really good, and then when I took a video of it, I realized how disgusting it was, so I just left it behind. I didn't even try it on. But yeah, this is the sweater and the t-shirt on. Thought it looked pretty good. Then I found this t-shirt with a turtle on it in the baby section and I absolutely fell in love with it right away. Then this t-shirt, I don't know, wasn't a big fan of it. Then I found this sports top, which I absolutely loved at first because it fit me so well, but then I realized there was a stain on it, so I had to leave it behind. Then I went through the lingerie section and again, none of it really stood out to me. Then I found some cool pants which looked really good on the rack, but then when I tried them on, they looked so weird. Like, look at these ones. They're so big. I don't know how I thought that they would fit. Then I found this sweater, which I absolutely loved. At first I wasn't really sure with it, but then, I don't know. I loved it. Then I found this sporty top, which I thought looked pretty good when I held it up in my waist, but then, I don't know, it just looked weird when it was, on its own. Then I just tried on a bunch of men's shirts. These ones were my favorite, but again, none of them really, spoke to me, so I just left them there. Here is another one, super pretty, so yeah. And then I found this vintage store on my way home, which I didn't know it was there. It had to be brand new because it definitely wasn't there. And this was a vintage shopper heaven. Everything was so good in this store, but definitely on the pricier side. These were some boots that I really like. And then I went through, and then right away when I walked over to the jeans, I found these ones, which were from Zara, and they literally looked like the perfect fit for me, so I just snagged them right away. And then yeah, I just went through the rest and just in case there was something good in there. And yeah, then I just walked around the store and that was it. Okay guys, so I just got back from the city. There's a full bag of clothes basically. I think I spent around $40, which is okay. I mean, there's a full bag of stuff, so it's more than okay, I think. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you what I got, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. First off, I went to this store which is called Textile House. It's basically the same concept as Goodwill, but here in Prague. And today they were having huge sales and everything was just for $3, so I got a bunch of stuff. The first thing I actually didn't get for myself, but for my boyfriend. I got him this giant, super cool, oversized blazer or jacket. I don't know, it's suit jacket, I don't know how to call it. I just love the print and he's super handsome and I feel like this would suit him, so I was might as well get it for him, The only thing is that it's super huge, so either it will look kind of cool oversized on him or it will be just super huge. Anyways, I'm gonna put a picture of how it looks on him. Hopefully it looks good. I don't know. This is a picture from the future, so I cannot tell. Alrighty, the next thing I got is just like a super plain basic, but if you could feel this material, you would get why I got it, because it's literally like the softest shirt material I've ever felt. It's just this basic blue, like long sleeve t-shirt. Nothing crazy about it. Well, it is. The crazy thing about it is how soft it is. I tried it on without a bra. It looked hideous on me, but I was like, you know what? I don't care. It's so comfortable that I, you know, even if I don't wear this out on its own, which I think I will, I could always like put it under my sweatshirts and sweaters in the winter, because I always used to wear sweatshirts and sweaters without a shirt under it, and then last winter I found out that if you like pair it with a long sleeve t-shirt and tuck it into your pants, you're like 100 times warmer than without it. So this is the t-shirt that I'm gonna use for that, and I'm also probably gonna use it without the sweaters and just, you know, wear it on its own. But yeah, it's just so pretty. The next thing is a sweatshirt. I just realized I didn't get a lot of summer stuff. All of them are kind of like for fall slash winter, so sorry. Anyways, I got this sweatshirt. It's nothing crazy. Again, I just needed something like, I don't know, I'm just not happy with my sweater collection, which I don't like. Like when it's winter and fall, all I want to wear are sweaters and jumpers. So yeah, I just kind of really want to, you know, work on my collection, my sweater collection, and this is one that I found today. Yeah, it's nothing crazy, like it's not the best crew neck, but again, it was $3. It's a good basic. It's from Zara originally. I feel like I could wear this with like a white skirt or like basic pair of blue jeans and look super pretty, so yeah. Moving on, we have another t-shirt, and it's so pretty. Like, don't tell me this is not like the cutest t-shirt. Even though I literally found this in the baby section, like it's literally a baby tee. It's still big on me. Like, I don't know how, but yeah, it's just like too wide for me. I would like it to be more fitted and more short. Like you will see it in the try-on, what I mean. But yeah, it's so cute. I feel like the little turtle just will make my day 10 times better, because like you can't be sad when wearing this t-shirt, you know? It's just too cute to be sad. It's just like a cute basic, but it's not so basic because of the turtle, and you get my point, you know? Let's just move on. The next thing I got are these pants, which, if you know me, like every single thrift haul that I do, there's always at least one pair of pants, because I'm obsessed with like getting dress pants or like trousers basically. So yeah, this time I found these ones. I was really like trying to find low-waisted pants or jeans, and I ended up getting everything high-waisted again, because that's just me. I don't know, whatever. That's what I feel good in, you know? So fuck the trends. So yeah, anyways, this is it basically. The only thing is that I will have to seam rip this little thing, because I think somebody made it shorter. This is how it looks right now. It's just short on me. I don't really like how it looks, and this is it after I seam ripped this thing. See, it's just much better, or at least I hope, because again, I'm talking about the future here, so yeah, hopefully it looks good. But yeah, whatever. I love these pants. I feel like it's like a great piece for summer, even for fall, honestly all year round, because it's light pants, so you can wear them whenever. And yeah, that was all the things that I got from the first thrift shop. And then, as you saw, I went to another thrift store, and that one was vintage store, I'm pretty sure, because like, you know, I went there from a store where everything was $3, and then there it was like normal priced pieces. So I was like, you know, I was walking in there, I was like, oh my god, this is so expensive. But I think it was like the same price range as you can get, for example, at H&M for the pieces. So it's still pretty good, but like it's not like the super cheap secondhand, you know, that I really like to go to, for example. But still, I ended up getting something, which are these pants. I really wanted to get like a good pair of vintage Levi's, for example, or Wranglers, or, you know, as I said, those low-waisted type of jeans that are super trendy right now. And I ended up leaving with a high-waisted pair of Zara straight leg jeans. If that doesn't tell you that I'm a freaking basic white girl, that's all you need to hear, basically. Honestly, I really love these pants, so I don't even care. But yeah, I got them for $18, I think, which, yeah, like I think for a thrift store, that's kind of on the more pricier side. But again, I live in Czech Republic, where like the thrift stores are super cheap, so maybe if you live in like US, that's okay for you, but yeah, I'm just saying, for me, it's a little bit pricey. But still, like I know that if I would go to Zara, like, you know, this is from Zara. I know I would pay like at least two times more, so I'm still super happy with it. They look literally brand as new, and yeah, that's the last thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, oh my god, please subscribe, because I always see in my analytics that more than 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to me, and we're so close to getting to 7,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you want to make my day 10 times better, you can subscribe to me, but if you don't, it's okay. Also, if you have a minute, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post daily outfit inspo on there. Then don't forget to check out my TikTok. I post silly videos on there, and then I am getting rid of so much of my clothes because I have so many of them, and I'm selling a bunch of them for like super cheap prices on my Vinted, so don't forget to check out my Vinted as well. This is how it looks, and that's everything. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.